In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ManyChat AI chatbot step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple, clear conversation starter running in Messenger, built the right way so you can expand it later. To start, open ManyChat and head to the Home tab. This is your overview space where you can quickly see what's happening in your account. From here, we're going straight into building mode so we can focus on the chatbot experience. Next, click Automation. Automation is where your chatbot lives, flows, triggers, and messages all come together here. Think of it as the control room for anything your bot says or does, whether it's answering questions or guiding someone through a short sequence. Click New Automation. This creates a fresh space for your chatbot logic. Starting with a new automation helps you keep things organized and makes it easier to manage updates later as your bot grows more advanced. Choose Start from Scratch. While templates are handy, starting from scratch gives you full control over the conversation and ensures you understand how each piece fits together. You'll see a clean canvas where you can add and connect steps in a visual way, which keeps everything easy to follow. Now select Messenger as your channel. ManyChat supports multiple platforms, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on Facebook Messenger. Selecting the right channel ensures your automation triggers and message types are compatible with the experience your audience expects on that platform. Add a text message to the flow. This is the core building block of most chat experiences. A text message lets you greet people, set expectations, and guide them to the next step. Keep your structure simple at first. Clarity beats complexity, especially for a welcome or first response message. Enter the sample message. Write a friendly greeting, a one-line explanation of what your chatbot can help with, and a clear prompt that invites a reply. For example, you might say hello, mention the kinds of questions you can answer, and offer a simple choice or ask what they need help with today. Aim for short sentences, a warm tone, and a single call to action so users know exactly what to do next. If you plan to expand later, phrase your message in a way that still makes sense as you add buttons, quick replies, or follow-up flows. That's it. You've navigated from home to automation, created a brand new automation from scratch, selected Messenger, added a text message, and crafted a clean, purposeful first response. This foundational setup is the perfect starting point for building a smarter ManyChat AI chatbot that you can enhance with branching paths, keywords, and advanced logic whenever you're ready.